Hello fellow engineers and welcome back to The Engineer. Now I'm going to attempt to play this properly today because I want to prove that engineers are better than architects. So first job, we've got to build a cart to take this, I don't know, is it like a sack of spuds or something? But let's start with wheels. So if we rotate it round facing that way, that's good. We'll then do opposite corner, so like that. I'm then going to grab a beam, make sure it's fixed. This is just like, I'm trying to make this like realistic. There's a reason that these exist in real life. So if I make that long, shove one there, shove another one there. I just need a bit of bracing. So I need to brace like from there to there. Shove that in. Do another one from there to there. I'll probably do an underneath one as well, just to make it strong. Then brace those two together. And then I just need to make sure that this doesn't fall off. So literally what I'm thinking, brace across there. Then assuming my bracing's strong enough, that should be fine, right? I reckon, let's build it. What's the worst that's going to happen? So it's built. Okay, so it's built, but it completely fell in half. So I failed to make it structurally sound. I mean, I am meant to be an engineer. I went a bit architectural. I went on make it look realistic and then it will work fine. I forgot about the actual, it needs to work. But yeah, if we just brace like those, surely that's strong enough now. I mean, I could wang some nails in just to really strengthen it up. Like it could be worth trying to wang a nail if I just press shift, yeah, down there. So that will just hopefully keep those arms a bit more attached. So now when it gets built, it's a bit dusty, but as the dust blows off, that should fall on top. Yes, okay, it's working. It is working. Looks good to me. So now I just need to... Oh no, I got to get it behind me. We're facing the wrong way, really. Let me just turn the guide on. So crouch, left control. So there you go. Then, right, I've grabbed that. So if I now... How do I uncrouch? Yes, we're now moving... Turn the guide off. Okay, we are now literally moving. No, I'm trapped. My hands got stuck, and I think this is how this is the end of the road. This is how engineering ends for me. All right, anyway, stand up. Stand up. Come on, you got this. Right, can I stand up without holding? Oh, my legs are stuck. Why did I put that plank there? So unfortunately, I don't think I'm strong enough. So I may have to use like an actual bit of engineering. So back to the drawing board. How can I make this more engineering? Oh, I know. All right, so here it is being built. This is what the power of engineering. 10 years of engineering experience, a university degree in engineering, and I've made the strongest go-kart ever made. Oh, the balls fell off. There's no nuts. Anyway, what I also did, I added this sort of thing at the front. I added more wheels, obviously. But what I was hoping is if I run, it might push everything, and it's not move. I think the nuts. Oh no, we're good. We are. Come on. Yes. An unusual stance, but engineering does not discriminate against chances. I got a B in your face, everyone that doubted me. Let's continue. All right, so this one, we need to support this platform, and you'll notice it's quite high up like that. That is a building. We're all the way up here. And the level is called cantilever platform. Now, cantilever is where you're only supported on one side. So basically, the game wants me to build a platform from here that leans out to support that. Oh my goodness. Not only that, we then need to come over here. We need to stand on this. Like you can see the sort of green box on top. We need to stay there for 5 seconds without anything breaking. Now, we don't have ropes unlocked. Oh, we don't have any blocks either. I was thinking about using them as like counterweights maybe. But okay, I reckon I can do it. If this was, I just need to think about this. If this was polybridge, what would I do? And I'll just do a truss. So if I just do a truss, I just need to think in like 3 dimensions. But we got 80 beams to play with and we got 80 bits of bracing. So let's line up over here. We'll go on there and I've just got to angle this up, I think to there-ish. So yeah, if we put a few of those in. Oh, hang on. There we go. That is the angle. So straight out like that as long as possible. Boosh. And then one up to here. It needs to be a little bit shorter like that. So, oh, that is... that is a long way. So yeah, I reckon let's do this in 2D first. So we have that in place. What if I then do another beam from down here at a slightly steeper angle? If we go boosh, and then boosh. That bottom one isn't as straight as the top one, is it? Still, give the contractors a bit of a whip, and then we're back to where we want to be. So I just want to go to like there. Oh, I feel like that's going to be too weak. I need like a flatter angle on these bottom ones. Okay, yeah, that's actually pretty good. And I've got 73 beams remaining. Lovely. Although, do I only have 8 fixed connection types? Is that what that's saying? If I were to shove that there. Oh yeah, there's only a set number of connections. Okay, that does change stuff a little bit. Wait, now it says I've got 6 remaining. What? I don't understand. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We've got the structural parts in. So now we just need to brace this thing. So bracing, let's head down here. I want to brace from there down to there. That seems good. Then up to that point. I reckon I probably want to go to the next piece so that like sort of connects those together. That seems good. I'm hoping this will actually work like a real life truss in that the force will be spread along these braces. So we end up with that. I should probably brace across like that. Okay, that seems good. We'll then do the same on this side as well. So we have some form of truss. We've then just got to cross brace these. And again, triangles are an engineer's best friend. So we'll try and do it like this. Do the same underneath. Right, now, before we add any like platforms and stuff, I just want to see how this is going to work roughly. Like, I don't know if this weighs anything. I don't know if the game will just say no. I don't know if I need to use nails. I've got 100 of them. Like, I'm not sure. Should I be using bracing between these? I don't really know. So let's just press build and do what engineers don't usually get to do, and that's see what happens. So you can see the arm is built, and then it's holding. It is holding. The power of engineering might be on our side, which means I can potentially, if I come back and then just add some sheets, so I can make them a bit wider. May as well make this neat, but basically just cover up the top side of the truss so it's nice and walkable for us. Then we can have a go at seeing whether it supports our weight. Now, I don't like how much we're stomping as we walk up this, but to be fair, this is... Oh, no, what are you doing? Huh? I can't believe I nearly failed there. I was going to say, to be fair, I think we have just proven engineering beats architecture. It may not be like curved and all nice and covered in rainbows, or I don't know. I don't pay attention to what architects do these days. All I do know is this is working fantastically. We got a B, and a B is good enough for me. Right, so now we are tasked with something quite crazy. We've got the same sort of building layout. So we've got a little farmhouse down here. We start here, and you'll notice we are stood in a golden bucket. That's because we must retrieve some things. So we've got to get up to this nest. And I think there's actually nothing in that nest. But then we need to get up to this nest where we need to retrieve the eggs. We need to bring them back to there. And we can't let either of these nests fall. So this is going to be one hell of a structure. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do it, if I'm honest. I guess we just start building and see what happens. Now, worth remembering, we can climb quite well. So perhaps we'll start on here. Let's rotate those. Lean them back a bit. Extend. Right, so we've got those two. We then just need to make our truss. So probably want to try and come off this roof. Now, the roof is like, it's all at horrible angles. So we're going to have to spend a bit of time trying to straighten ourselves up. So let's rotate that way. Right, okay, then we have that on. That's good. Can then put the same on the other side. Then one on there. One on there. Then as before, we want to truss. So since we want to end up with the force down there, I'm going to truss up to that piece, then go across to that one, then up to that corner, and then just over to there. So I think that's pretty good for the side truss. We'll just do the same down this side. So it looks like that. And then we just need the cross beams. And if I learned anything from last time, maybe I don't need as much cross bracing as I thought. Maybe I can just get away with like doing that sort of thing. And actually, this is the side I'm going to climb up, so I may need like more like a ladder. So basically, truss down this side because that's where the weight's going to go. We don't have trusses on this side. We've just got the supports because there shouldn't be much weight in that sort of that direction. All the weight's coming down this axis. So let's build that, and then we'll see, does it hold the bird's nest? Yes, it does, but mission failed because the other one fell down. So, nice. That one's done. It's so high up. Why is it so high up? We've got to get up there. That's insane. Oh dear, right. I'm not even sure how I go about this. Do I just go from low down and just make it really tall? No, I'm not allowed to build down there. Fair enough. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. We will build from up here then. Or maybe, is it worth building from that? Like on the wonk a bit? Because I reckon if I did that corner and there, and I could probably build from like down that. Oh no, what have I stuck that? What have I stuck that to? Oh, have I broken the game? I may have broken the game. Awesome. All right, let me just see. If we build this, does that piece in the air stay there? Yeah, it does. The nest doesn't, but that does. Okay, thank you devs for invisible wall I can support against. But we've still got a long way to go. We've got to get from down here up to the nest. And honestly, I can already feel people calling me an architect for this, because this is going to be really on the wonk, to put it technically. But oh, that is actually aiming for the right spot though. I don't know how I'm going to truss this up. You should always be worried when an engineer's laughing at his own design. Okay, so so that is in place. I've just got to try and truss this up somehow. So first things first, let's support the nest by putting these sorts of bracings on. I am just realizing this corner's a little bit low, so may want to brace like that. That could be dodgy, but it could also work. Maybe not. Still, that's the nest holder done. We then just need to truss this thing. So as before, I think we work from the bottom. So we say from there up to as far as we can reach, like there, and from there to the next one. And then basically we're just making a truss, because in my last video people called me an architect when I tried to think outside the box and not just do a boring old truss. So this is all you're gonna see. Boring old engineering and boring old B scores, no doubt. I'm not gonna lie, not entirely sure what to do with this floating node. I guess just ignore the fact it's floating. Anyway, if it does fail, that's probably the first thing I will change. I'll make the floating node like not float. But if it does work, it just shows that I'm an engineer. I don't need physics. I just need natural instincts. Okay, so that's that sorted. I feel like with that sort of length, I'm not used to dealing with like one this long really.
That's what she said.
But I may need to cross brace with triangles rather than just like that sort of thing. But for now, I will just try the straight cross bracing and we'll see whether it's enough. Then on the front, I probably need these a bit closer, or maybe maybe I can just get away with sheets down it. I basically just need a surface to climb up, and this guy's pretty good at climbing. So right, let's let's see what happens here. Let's press build. I'm not gonna lie, quite scared. So there it is in place. Oh no! Oh dear. Okay, that was pretty brutal. I don't think having this like dodgy top actually helped us. So what I might do, I might delete that piece and do like this corner in two. So like two slightly shorter beams. So one to there and that one a bit longer up to, wait, what the hell? Oh, I went past it. So up to there. Okay, so that should be much more secure once I've got all my bracing in. But yeah, just looking at this, it's looking rickety. So let's add our cross bracing like that sort of thing. So we'll go from that corner down to there. We'll move that cross brace to that point and go from there down. Right, I still don't know actually if this loose leg is causing this to fall or not. So let's build it and see where does it fall. Oh, it doesn't fall. It's holding this time a little bit. See, add a few triangles to your design and oh, what is that? What is that? Ah, there's birds. Why are there birds everywhere? What are the birds doing? Absolute architects. Okay, we're gonna have to make this stronger. I mean, I'm gonna have to add some sheets to the front so I can climb up. The sheets may make this stronger. So sheet from there. Well, actually, it's harder to put these in than I thought because it's all on the wonk. I think, though, if I just do a bit of bracing there and then go across like that, I've made that more parallel with the piece below, which means, hopefully, a sheet from there to there. Oh, no. Can you see the right corner? It's still, like, clipping in. So we'll do another bit of bracing on top of that bit of bracing, like that. And then when we do our cross brace like that, now they should be parallel. So boosh, that is now on. So if I just do that down this top side, I will actually make this a bit wider too. So we got a nice smooth climbing surface. Right, lovely. Look at that. The only thing I worry about is those blooming birds. I mean, I should probably like nail this a bit more. I haven't used any nails at the moment. So you probably want to nail on all these all these sheets. Probably worth nailing through as many pieces as I can as well. All right, and then we'll see whether this will hold. Oh, I hear crashing. No, it's okay. It's okay. Where do the birds come? What are the birds doing? Oh, the birds have knocked some eggs down. No. How am I meant to do this? Oh, do I put a roof on it? Yeah, I reckon if I put a roof on it, I will deflect the birds. So, gotta add some more stuff. By the way, look in here. It looks like there's like money in there. So there must be like magpies. 'Cause magpies love coins, don't they? Or shiny objects. Anyway, boosh, boosh. Oh man, this is... How am I going to do a roof that's like structurally sound? I don't think I'm going to be able to. Right, I got 69 beams left, which I feel like is a sign that I shouldn't use anymore. Time to head just into the bracing and then try and turn this into a roof. Well, that's the doorway I've got to get through, so I need to keep that a hole. Everything else I can trust. Trouble is, it's all at like dodgy angles now. Right, I've somehow made like, I don't know, some sort of weird brown... I've made like a giant cigar or like a torch or something, but it needs a roof, so that is what it's going to get. So just nail those together, shove some sheeting on top, and just nail it all together. Sure, it'll be fine. All right, and then let's see. Let's see if the added weight has ruined this design. I imagine it probably has, but there it is. But what have I made? Oh no! Yep, it's now too heavy. So 2 ways of strengthening all this extra weight on top. I either add support down here, which I think is going to be quite hard because, yeah, there's no actual braces down here. The other thing I could do is if I come up on this side, I was going to say I could use tension. I don't actually think I could use tension. I don't know, maybe I can. No, I think I'm better off trying to support it like from over this way because I can go, yeah, I can go all the way down to here. Wait, what? Now I can, wait. I can build down here now. I couldn't build down here earlier. Well, that makes things a lot easier, I think, because just wang a couple of nails into that. Add a bit of trussage down here. Right, then that extra truss underneath could be enough to support this. I mean, it probably won't be. I'm still very concerned about this, this lack of beam down here. I might actually add that in, but for now, let's just see what happens when we build. Does it hold? Yes, it does. Does our roof stop the birds? All right, there. Oh, there's the birds. Oh, is it okay? Is it okay? Oh, it might actually be okay. Oh, don't all sit on there. I was going to say, please disappear. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. Looks good to me. So now I just need to climb up there. So if we head this way, then just try and start climbing up, which is going quite well, to be fair. If I just get my left arm up. There we go. Oh, no. My hand is trapped. Help my hand. Okay, then I just need to... Oh, I heard the bridge sort of break. I think I'm putting too much pressure on it. Okay, if you look in the time button left, we've been here a little while now. I think I'm getting closer, though. I've just got to... Should have really put a platform in around it. Yes, yes. Okay, body around this side. Yes. Okay, we're on. We are on. Okay, now we can begin our ascent of this incredible structure. Using the power of engineering, we will climb to the top. We will prove to those that we deserve to be the #1 engineer on YouTube. And, oh, wait. That's my face. I'm one of the coins. Yes. Right. Oh, no. Hang on. I've just realized. Oh, this is going to take forever. I've got to try and get this egg. Do I need to get all the eggs in? Oh, look. There's a Dre Blitz and Scrapman coin in there as well. All right. Oh, okay. I've just knocked all the eggs out. Oh, no. I'm now falling. I'm now falling. Ow. On the plus side, I now have an egg. On the negative side, don't know how to get back up to my bucket. I mean... Oh, it sticks to me. Does it? No, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Right, I swear I was trying to look up at my tower. I'm just staring at my guy's crutch now. Sure. I don't think I can climb this with just one arm. So unfortunately, I think we're going to have to try again. All right, I'm building another structure. Oh, I'm going to be here all day. All right, I've only got 3 bits of bracing as well. Not ideal. Basically, if I just do like... that sort of thing. Wang some sheets on there. Fill this thing with a whole load of nails. Then just brace it to my original structure. Then assuming the birds don't break it. Oh, no. Right, maybe we don't attach it to original structure. But instead we use tension to take it from here down to here. Then maybe the weight of this will sort of hold that up in place. Because this is basically just a chute. I want to drop the eggs down there and that will guide them into the basket, maybe. All right, will that hold? I'm hoping it's not going to touch that. Yes, okay. That is holding itself up. So these are two separate structures. It's just the birds I'm a bit wary of. So we'll just wait and hope that none land on that. Oh, we might be good. We might actually be good. Oh, that one hit it. Okay, we're good. Looks good to me. So now just got to do the climbing thing again. Tell you what, this is going a lot better than it went last time. Look at that. A minute in and I'm already climbing this. Okay, up we go. Up we go. Okay, now hold on with the left hand. Oh boy. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, we're good. We're good. Legs are on. Legs aren't on. Okay, okay. Now we're good. Now we're good. So that left arm, just try and get up there. Okay, that's the handhold. That is the handhold. This arm, the right arm, grab an egg. All right, we have an egg. We actually have an egg. Okay, so now I just need to use your incredible engineering strength to try and get that into the chute. Yeah, that's it. Look at the egg and look at the chute at exactly the same time so you can so you can plan your moves. All right, come on, please. Please, I believe in you. All right, come on, get the egg out. Get the egg out. Come on. Yes, okay, the egg is out. The egg is actually out. Okay, now I just need to use my raw strength. So it's my left hand. Look at the size of my biceps. Sure, I can lift an egg. Apparently I can't. Okay, we might have to try. Oh no, we're in a bad spot. We're in a bad spot. I don't think I have the strength to do anything while I'm holding on to this egg. So annoyingly, I've just dropped the egg. See you later, egg. All right, we go again. We go again. The show goes on! Okay, I lost another egg, but we're in a much better place. Do I drop and just hope we slide down to there? Yes. Okay. Okay, we're nearly there. We've nearly done it. We've actually nearly done it. Oh, balls. Oh, onto a fence as well. Ugh. All right, I've started safely again. Let's see if we can stand up here. Yes. Okay, I've started again. I've made slight tweaks. And actually, because I've done this so many times, I'm actually feeling a bit more confident in my abilities. But, oh man, I want the coin of my face. That's got to be the most valuable thing in there, right? But still, game wants an egg. So what we'll try to do is just get that behind me. Yes, let go. No, no, let go of the wrong one. Oh, no. Oh, I let go of the wrong one. I wonder, can I swing this? So it's my left hand. So, is that going in? Oh, that was close. Oh, if I let go of the right hand, and by the right hand, I mean the left hand, that would have been good. Oh, no. Let go. Is it in? Yes, we got it in. D-. Did you see that slam dunk at the end? Oh, my goodness. That was painful. But thank you, devs, for adding me to the game as a coin. I really love that. Awesome, awesome little thing you did. That was a playthrough of the Enjenir demo. Really looking forward to the full game. But for now, I'll say peace, love. And engineers can always watch two things at once. Bye, guys.